Here's a recap of an hour-long trip I did on November 24th in a 2021 Tesla Model 3 long range. You can see that I start with 43% battery and 150 miles on the car, and the trip screen forecasts that I will have 19% battery or 67 miles when I arrive. I started the trip with the car outside in the cold, no precondition of the battery at all. The trip was 59 miles, it was 29 degrees with a light crosswind, and I had minimal cabin heat on. The drive was also very flat, no up or down hills. I drove very normally with the flow of traffic, using cruise control without lane assist. I was far from the slowest on the road, but not the fastest either. You can see after 10 miles in, I'm doing better than the original forecast, now expected to arrive with 21% battery. If you haven't used the energy screen before, I highly recommend using it. It shows you in real time the energy usage of the car over the last 5, 15, and 30 miles. It also will show you the real-time range left on the car that is much more accurate than the range shown on the upper left part of the screen. So if you ever need the precise number, go to this energy consumption screen to see. Now you can watch the line spike and fall with each launch you do from every stoplight and stop sign. If you're doing it right, it should look a lot like the daily price of a crypto coin. And 30 miles in, I'm still improving, now with an estimated arrival with 22% battery. And by the time I arrived, I had 22% battery left, arriving with 77 miles left on the car. So in summary, a 59-mile trip ended up using 73 miles, a difference of about 24%. The main contributors to this difference were the speed in which I drove, which was mid to high 70 miles per hour, and the colder weather. I didn't precondition the car before leaving, so the car was working with a colder and less efficient battery, and worked a little to warm up the battery as well. However, Tesla's trip screen accurately predicted this additional battery loss. When I started the trip, the screen said I would arrive with 19% battery, but I ended up arriving with 22%. This slight gain was most likely due to the easy traffic flow and cruise control usage, so you should feel pretty confident in the estimation given in Tesla's trip screen. Definitely use this and the energy consumption screen while on longer road trips. Please check back on many other trips I'll record to help give you an idea of true range for cold weather driving. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or future requests, and please like and subscribe. I'll see you up north.